Dangerous Jamaican Women. Part 3. Kacey and Blair. At about 6:25 p.m. on May 29, 2023, a week before his birthday, Constable Damian Blair was reportedly shot inside his home located at Desmond Mackenzie Close, formerly Guava Walk Road, in Somerset, Manchester. His wife, Kacey Ann Roxanne Blair, 33 years old, allegedly used his licensed pistol and shot him. He reportedly ran from the house and collapsed at his gate. She followed him to the gate and finished him off with a hammer. The neighbors heard the commotion and called the police, who found Mrs. Blair, who had barricaded herself in a section of the house with a self-inflicted wound to her wrist, attempting suicide. Her husband was pronounced dead at hospital while she was admitted in stable condition. Damian and Kacey Ann were married for 8 years of a 13-year relationship, but it was very toxic. Their marriage became so toxic that the two became estranged even though they shared the same house. Kacey Ann started to make threats against Damian's life, and it became so frequent that he reached out to his family as much as he could, making sure to tell them whenever she threatened him. At the time of his demise, Damian was making plans to separate from Kacey Ann completely, as they had been living together until the divorce was finalized. She wanted to keep the house while Damian moved out, but that was impossible, as both Damian and his mother were owners of the house. The divorce would have been finalized on June 2nd, 3 days before his demise.
Yo, old man, I tell you something to them, see the youth, you see him? And when I inform them, some officer them say, if I left the lady, you see it? When we get the call and hear him drop out, the skate go up there, me and my bar them, you see it? I'll go up on the block and I tell her, say, yo, you know, the house is a mess. And the worst crime scene ever go up on. You understand? Look like when Jackie D here said the man I left, fire some shot, you see it, and catch him, and the one boy try to take himself through the back door. You can see him hand and blood that run off him up on the wall and the door outside. And when the boy drop outside, you know, the road, you know, the cat go over him, you know, and use the carpenter hammer and rest it for him fired, and use the ball pine hammer beat out the head. You understand? Yeah, man, she didn't move, fuck up. Yo. And then she just dropped the gun and the hammer and him somewhere at the back of the yard. You understand? And she'd have tried, about the back of the child, she cut her hand and hoping so she'd have bleed out. But you don't know, as a police, well, not me though. The police, the first responder them just, you know, bring her hospital. But I tell you, one of the worst scene ever going on. Go look pan. No joke. And the police did in the street. Literally in the street. You see it? Cause the car block off on the road. Cause the man try to run from no man, you know. And drop and she just go over him and fuck him up.
Kacey Ann Blair is facing charges of murder, unauthorized possession of firearm, and unauthorized possession of ammunition. Blair's attorney had informed the court that she had been receiving psychiatric treatment at Mandeville Regional Hospital prior to the murder of her husband.
He wanted to move out, but nobody to take care of his poultry and goat and something. She didn't move. She always hit him. She keep on hit him, then keep on fight. Fight like big. We never expect this. We never expect this. He hungry. He not talk. He licked him in the head with the pot a couple days ago. And then she licked him with one coconut and bust up. She love lick. She's a very high-tempered person. I never expect she to kill him. I never said that in her.
Check out the playlist below for more dangerous women.